Hello, my name is Dita Anggreni. I'm studying Akom FTFI Global Media. This is camera. I want to tell you about the part of camera body. Front camera, back camera. This is the back of the camera. 1. Viewfinder. That function to see the object to be photographed. This is 2. Monitor. Function to see or shoot. See information and setting. 3. Playback button. For seeing the look of our shoot and this. 4. Menu button. To display menu or camera setting din. 5. Zoom in or out. Function to zoom in and out photo on the monitor. 6. Information button. The button to show the information of the image, mode dial, jet protmal, shutter, and many more. Then 7. Delete button. The button to delete a picture or video. Then 8. Movie record. The button function to record video. And 9. OK button. 10. Multi-selector. The button for control the camera setting and view the photo that we shot. And 11. Speaker. For hearing voice that we have recorded in the video. And this 12. Model dial. The function for set shooting model that we want this. 13. Shutter speed. The shutter button to take a snapshot. 14. Power switch. For turn on and off camera. 15. Flash mode button. Button to turn on the flashlight. 16. Lens. Glass switch servers to bar and collect line. 17. Zoom ring. To bring to keep the object that will be captured by the lens. 18. Grip. Standard to the ring on camera that function as a camera grip, so strong and steady during the snap. 19. Microphone. To record a voice, the video recording. And last, tripod socket. The place to attach a tripod or camera foot. Okay, thanks for attention and watching my video. See you.